Guys, it started again. Oh my god. Oh my god. Watch out, here we go. Oh my god. Look at that. Another hailstorm. That is the second one of the day here. Oh my god, large hail. Look at that. Radar is showing a storm front heading towards us, so this one could be even stronger if it decides to start again. Look at that. I thought I just saw some light rotation just now. I don't think I did though. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know if it's gonna start again. But we just had our second hailstorm. Second one. Look at this. Look at the trees. It's getting windy all of a sudden. So this is a sign of a thunderstorm right here, actually. Say winds are moving about 10 to 20 miles an hour as of right now. Oh my god, it's just got even fucking windier. Sorry about my bad language, but it is up. Here we go. Some more stuff is coming. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, you probably can't see it. It is raining low very lightly. It's also very cold. Okay, rain's getting a little harder here. May stop there for it because I don't know what's doing here. Honestly, I think we're gonna get more hail right now. There's more hail on the way. Oh god, I'm getting a little wet here. It's going a little strong. I'm under my porch right here. Alright, we're starting to see it again. Oh, here we go. Kind of. I don't know. Okay. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, yep. We're doing it again. Of course, you guys can't see it. Phones don't like to pick up rain. But very, very hard rain here. Look at it up there. That's dark ass clouds. Winds picked up. It is now just rain. Well, a little hail's coming down with it. Huh. To be honest, I don't know when this is gonna end. I hope it ends. Oh, here we go. Here we go again. Oh my god. Oh, now it sees it. Now my camera picks up the heavy rainfall. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god. Here we go. Oh, look at the ground. Look at the ground. Now you can see the hails are accumulating. Oh my god. Look how heavy the rain is. Look at the tree over there. Oh my god. The wires are bouncing up and down as well. This is an intense storm. Still hail coming down. This video is going to be near probably 7 minutes long. The hail is actually massive. Look at that. That's a penny hail right now. Penny-sized hail right now. Pea-sized, maybe pebble-sized. I don't know. Could get a little bigger, but last storm we had about penny-sized hail, which is pretty big. Oh my god. Still going? Is that rain/snow? No, that's hail. The hail and rain are both cooling things down significantly. I think there's a cold front coming through. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is chaotic as frick. Looking up there. Oh, you guys, oh my god, it's very heavy rainfall. And the hail is still coming down, guys, believe it or not. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh, I just saw at least nickel-sized hail just now coming down from the sky. I think I'm starting to see also rain/snow. I'm not sure. Oh my god. Look at how heavy. There's definitely a cold front coming through, guys. Definitely a cold front. Oh my god. Oh, it might actually be rain/snow right now. I'm not sure. Oh my god, it's getting even stronger. Look at our thingy. It's blowing around. Oh, hail, massive hail. Coming down again. This is gonna be my longest part yet. I know it. Oh my god, look at it. We've gone it again, bro. Here we go, heavy hail again. It's hailing very hard here in Portland, Oregon. Not cold enough to see my breath yet, so I'd say it's about 40 degrees. Oh my god. Just gonna look at the clouds. This thing is never ending. This storm is never ending. Oh my god. My dude, this is just crazy. Insane. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's oh my god. I just got a 30 mph wind gust. Actually 20 mph wind gust. That's what winds are about. Is that snow seriously right now? Am I seriously seeing snow? I literally just saw snow fucking right there. Sorry about cussing. Oh my god. I think it's starting to drop down to 29 degrees, guys. It's only been 7 minutes since I started this video and things have gotten pretty chilly out. I think the storm passing. Oh god. No. Oh, not launch me to stay away from the wind. God, rained on a little bit. I don't want to get my phone wet. Yeah, it's just storms passed over us. I guess you can see kind of how much hail's in the grass now. I can't go out there to pick one up from the outside, but I'd say that's pebble size. Pea size. Pebble. I don't know. Oh, wow. That was chaotic. That was a cold front that just passed through, though, so I guess things are gonna get cold now. Actually, here, 1 second. I'm gonna take you guys back into my house here. Oh, we can go ahead and take a look at radar. My phone is just gonna. Alright. This may not be the most accurate of radars here. But if we go ahead, take a look here. Yeah, you can clearly see what went through us just now, or what is currently going through us right now. The storm system. It dropped from 46 down to 42 degrees very fast. And that storm accumulated 12 inches, or not even that storm accumulated up to 12. I'm gonna say millimeters of rain, but yeah, sorry for talking a little quieter. My throat kind of hurts a little bit. Sorry about that. It's just something that my cold is doing something. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at a different radar. Okay, hurry up. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna take a look at the velocity because I swear I saw a funnel cloud. No, there's nothing. Sorry about that. Oh, I can turn that off for you. I am gonna turn that off. Oh. But nothing's showing up on velocity. But look at this long line of storms here. There's no special weather statements, no lightning detected either. Yet. So we are looking for this thing to be a thunderstorm. We can go ahead, take a look at the 3D model of the storm that's hitting us right now. I guess that's not, okay, that's not that either. No. There's a perfect one. Let me go ahead and take a look over here. That is what hit us. So that obviously looks like a hail core to me on 3D here. Yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this. I'm going to stop talking right now because my voice hurts. Not my voice, my throat hurts. And, yeah, I will start another video if another hail core comes. Peace.